Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to format strings, string type data in Pandas data frame. So this is my code snippet. I have copied this code and I pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. Okay, so what are string types of data? So basically, we deal with two or three types of data. Uh, First is numerical and the second is string. Under the numerical there are two types, that are float types and integer types. So basically integer types, as we all know, can be said as 1, 2, 3, whereas floats are the one that contain decimals. 1.0 is a string, sorry, 1.0 is a float type, not a integer type data, whereas strings are, for example, names comes under string, a name of a location, name of a place, all those comes under string. So when do we generally do string manipulation? String manipulation is very common when we do a problem of NLP, that is natural language processing. As we know, all the datas in NLP are in string format. So basically you need to do that. You need to do string pre-processings or string manipulations, or you need to work with strings in order to clean your data before implementing any model. So there where string manipulation comes into play. Now I've defined a function over here, two print statements. So I've imported warnings by and I filtered them using warnings ignore. Okay. Now import pandas as PD. I'll use this pandas to convert. I will use my pandas data frame to for doing the string manipulation, as it already comes with preloaded functions. Now I defined my panda series. Okay, so my panda series contain names. So the first is for example, the first is Steve Murray, the third is Sarah Magali, and the fourth is Mary Jane. Now I'll print the names. After that, first underscore names. Basically, you need to pass the list, as it already knows it is in pandas format. Dot string, it is of string type. Dot lower, this will convert that into a lower type. Lower case. For example, all this will be converted into lower case. Now string dot uppercase. So this will give string dot title, this will give me the title, and first time string dot split, it will split the columns. Now first string dot capital, it will capitalize the for me. So you can see Steve Murray was the initial, it is how the initial data that I fed into it. Now this is after the conversion into lower cases, and this is what it looks after the conversion into capital letters. Okay, the third was title, so it printed with title case, and now you can see it split it. Basically it split Steve and Murray. For each string it split it into two parts, that is, it wherever it found space, if finds space, it will split it. You can also this is the case that you need to pass. For example, this means wherever you find space, you split it. If I reduce this to this, what it is going to do, it is going to split each and every letters of the word. Okay, now after that, string capitalize. So string capitalize does, it just keeps the first letter of the word capital, where first letter of the complete entry or in a list capital, whereas it makes all others small. So this was all about codes in this video. For more industry relevant projects, you can visit our website, and for more code recipes like this, you can visit our website as well as our YouTube channel. You can also get your customized code by using the click here function over here, and the code of and the URL for the code in this video is available in the description below. Thank you.